Good morning, Jarl Kubat here with West USA Realty and Arizona 55 Plus Communities. I'm out here in the 55 Plus community of Sunland Village in East Mesa. Going to show you a new listing that I have here. Lots and lots of updates. These owners have lived in the house about 6-7 years, and this is a very, very nice home. It was built in 1979. It's 1,930 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath. You got an extra family room, good sized family room in the back. Everything has been updated in this house in the last, I'd say 6 to 8 years, and a lot of recent updates just in the last couple of years. We have an owned solar system on this beautiful, great system, low utility bills, very nice home. We got slump block, we're on a corner lot. The orientation is on the south side of the street facing north. We've got an extra deep garage. It's almost 25 foot deep. We don't have many of those homes in Sunland Village. So anyways, hang on to your eyeballs. I'm going to give you some live, raw, unedited, lots of blooper video here. Here's the corner. So the front and the east side is all slump block, no maintenance. We've got rain gutters all the way around. We don't get much rain in Arizona, but it's been raining here for the last 7 or 8 days. They've got a few inches. That's a lot of rain for Arizona. But we've got gutters to keep the water away from the house. A lot of homes won't have that. We sit on, like I said, we sit on the south side of the street facing north. These front windows, these bay windows, that's in the master bedroom there in front, and then the one over the but next to the entryway, that bay window is in the dining area. This is looking down the street or looking out west. This is looking straight across the street from you. And this is looking kitty corner to the northeast. You can see the tips of the Superstition Mountains over there. It looks prettier from standing on the ground with a raw eye than it does through the video camera. They look a little bit closer than what they appear in the video. Hang on, we're going to show you the backyard, we're going to show you the garage, and we're going to show you the inside. So the guy that owned this home previously, he put an updated, when he did the solar system, he was an electrical engineer, and he updated this whole electrical panel. And then these are all your inverters and transformers, all of that stuff. This side of the house was stuccoed right over the top of the block, but this home is all block construction. Again, if I dusted over it, we've got permanent soffit and fascia, all aluminum. Very, very little maintenance on the exterior. So we're standing in the backyard here. We've got 2 orange trees and a lemon tree. One's an Arizona sweet and one's a navel. So this backyard faces south. We have a whole house water treatment system for the house. No salt tanks, no brine tanks to maintain or add salt to. Again, we've got a corner lot, completely fenced in yard. Very nice patio back here. Again, I wanted to mention we've got rain gutters all the way around. That is important to keep water away from the foundation of the house. The majority of the homes in Arizona do not have them on. This is all the way around. Very nice Arizona room here. They're using it for a combination of things. One end of it they're using as an office, and the other part they're just using as a sitting area for this. You got French doors that you can open up to that area when you're entertaining back here or using the grill. But a nice backyard with a strong south exposure. Here's your front patio, all patio pavers. Again, that bay window, that's been replaced, and that looks into the dining room. Same thing with the bedroom over there. But a very nice place to sit, have your morning coffee. As you meet people throughout the community, you'll meet them pretty fast. But you tend to meet people sitting out here in front as they walk by for their exercise. And then as you make friends, you start entertaining in the backyard. So very, very nice front patio to have. You get the best of both worlds. heavy-duty security door screen. They put those in all the houses. We like to open up the doors in the wintertime and let fresh air in. It's not dusty. It's not as dusty and dirty as it can be in the summer. So that's why they have them on there, not necessarily for security. Looking at the front door, that was replaced recently as well. Nice leaded glass there. And we're going to go ahead and take you inside this beautiful home. So stepping just inside the front door, going to give you a little disclaimer here. This home, it's a cloudy, dark day outside. It's been raining for the last 6 or 7 days, and so the home may appear darker in the video than it actually is. There's some very large windows coming into that family room, formal living room, and there is a lot of natural light, but it is dark and cloudy, overcast here today. So we step in the front door here. To the right, I'll go into the formal dining area and then into the kitchen. This is your living room straight ahead. If I go left after coming in the front door, I'll head down the hallway towards the 2 bedrooms and the guest bathroom. So we're going to do this in segments. We're going to walk straight forward. All of the paint, it's been repainted, these nice grays. That's a little darker gray accent wall in the living room. But all of this has got designer colors in it, and the whole home is just, really looks nice the way they furnished it. Very nice home. Large living room here. They've got a large flat screen TV on the wall, and there's a pocket door over there that closes off to the eating area in the kitchen. If I spin back to the right here, this is this bookshelf here and cupboard is your hidden coat closet for the front door. That opens up and the coats are right behind it. Kind of a neat little feature. And then here's your formal dining area. And this can be used for many different things. And that's that bay window looking out over the front patio. So this is all new luxury vinyl flooring in the dining area, the formal living, the entryway, and the hallway. There is only carpet in the bedrooms, the 2 bedrooms. That's the only place that has carpet throughout the whole house. And then here we are looking back towards this front door. Standing in the formal living room, giving you a look at that front door with the door closed. Beautiful glass in there. Again, that was all replaced. And then there again, there's looking at the kitty corner view to the dining area. Looking down the hallway here towards the bedrooms, we've got a large storage closet right there in the hallway. Straight ahead there, a little bit to the right, is the guest bathroom, and the primary bedroom is up front. For the houses in Sunland Village here, this is a large bedroom. And we have all the room sizes and floor plan with the room sizes that we can send anybody that requests it. It's also available on the MLS. This is a large king-size bed, and there's plenty of room in this bedroom. The cabinets have been replaced in the bathroom, new countertops, new faucets, medicine cabinets on each end of that mirror. And then this is the shower was redone here recently, new stool, but the shower is all tiled floor to ceiling. That's all been updated. Here is looking into the walk-in closet, plenty of storage, lots of shelving in here, and there's a pocket door that closes this off to the bedroom. Standing in that closet, looking back out to the bedroom, and again, we've got some large furniture in here, and it fits very nicely in this bedroom. Looking down the hallway to the guest bedroom, straight out this, before we hit the guest bedroom, we've got the guest bath, and we've got another hallway closet there to the left. Lots of storage in this home. Here's the guest bathroom. Again, all new cupboards, new countertops, new toilet, all luxury vinyl flooring. And this is a tub and shower with the white tile. Here's looking into the guest bedroom. Again, please keep in mind that it is a dark, cloudy day. We do have lots of natural light coming through. We've got large windows here. but very nice room. Every room in the house has been repainted, all the doors, the trim. Where they replaced all the luxury vinyl flooring that has new 4-inch baseboards. Still in the guest bedroom, we've got a large double closet over there. Again, everything in the whole house has been repainted. Please keep in mind as we're walking through the home here that it is a darker, cloudy day, but we do have nice sized windows. These bedrooms are really good size. Again, we've got floor plan we can send anybody at their request. It's also available on the MLS. But a very nice home. So walking out of this guest bedroom, here's the guest bath, looking straight ahead into the primary bedroom. We're going to turn the corner. A nice large hallway closet, hidden coat closet behind that bookshelf. Got your formal dining, and then looking at the front door. We're going to take a left here, and again, we're in this beautiful formal living room. Standing in the dining room looking through this kitchen. So we got all new Thomasville cabinets, high quality kitchen cabinets here. All of the appliances are stainless steel and have been replaced in the recent years here. And we've got a food pantry right here behind that door. There's also a pocket door that closes this room off to the dining room area. We've got lots of good lighting in here, and that's a skylight as well in the kitchen. Very, very nice setup. Again, just to mention again, we do have a whole house water filtration system. Really a good system, doesn't use any salt, easy to maintain. That's your kitchen area, your breakfast nook there in the kitchen at this far end. And so if I turn left just past the fridge, that's a pocket door, and we're back into that formal living room area. So I'm standing in the formal living room. Again, there's a pocket door that closes this off to this your breakfast area or eating area in the kitchen. And we're looking straight ahead there to the laundry room. Just before the laundry room, if I'd go right, that takes me into the garage. We're going to walk you straight ahead, and then we'll re-show you the kitchen here. But you're going to look high and low for a home that has this much cabinet storage in it. This is one of the largest, it's the largest. I've been selling homes in Sunland Village for 21 years, and this is the largest laundry room that I've seen in this community, and all of the storage cabinets. It's just very hard to find anything like that. These cabinets have been replaced recently. They're fairly new. Underneath this cabinet here, when these people bought this home, there was another half stool here. And they capped it off, capped the sewer off, and they put this cabinet above it. So if anybody wanted to add another half stool in this laundry room, you could certainly do it by removing that cabinet. But very, very nice laundry room, all tile. Standing with my back to that laundry room, looking back to that eating area again, we're going to spin around and we're going to show you this kitchen from the other end here. But a very nice kitchen. For a galley kitchen, the walking area, it's nice and wide. All the countertops, faucets have been replaced in the recent years, but very, very nice kitchen. So the original floor plan was called the 500, but they expanded it by adding this family room when they first built the house. Also, that's a new window there facing the south. And this is an oversized family room from what was originally built with these homes. And you've got a doorway going out to that Arizona room. Again, all luxury vinyl through here, easy to maintain. They're almost scratch resistant and 100% waterproof. There is a pocket door that closes this room off to the rest of the house as well. Very easy to add a sofa sleeper back here and actually have a third place for visiting family members to stay. He's also using this as an office, but you can also use that Arizona room as an office. And standing in the corner of the family room, looking kitty corner into the kitchen area and then into this Arizona room. Now they keep this closed up. They're not heating and cooling this with the central unit. It wouldn't take much in which to do so if you wanted more space. There's a number of different things you can do with this. If you want more of a covered patio, that wall is real easy to come out. Everything is closed to the elements, and you could have this as an outside patio without a whole lot of work or a lot of expense. They do keep a chest freezer out here for extra food storage. And then this is all tile as well. There has been no pets in the house and no smoking, no foul smells, anything like that. There is a pet door from the previous owner if you do have a pet and want a doggy door to the outside, but it's closed up and kind of sealed off here a little bit, but easy to make it useful again. One thing I wanted to mention here, they do have another sub panel back here. Like I said, this guy was an electrical engineer. It would be real easy to add a jacuzzi. You got all the electrical back here. If you wanted an outside jacuzzi, you could certainly do that because the electrical is already back here. Standing in that office area looking back towards the door going to the outside, those are French doors. You can open that all up and use this inside space for entertaining and sitting out on the patio. And then the doorway going into this family room. There's a chest freezer that sits back here for extra food storage. And then here's looking into this family room again. So here's looking into the garage. Again, just wanted to point out, this garage is just about 25 foot deep from the back end of the garage door when it's closed. We do have an insulated garage door. We've got a new hot water heater that was replaced last year. You even have some oak cabinets there in front for storage. But easy to get two cars in, and if you have a smaller car, it's easy to get two cars and even in a golf cart with the extra deep garage. But very nice garage space.